From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of being jolted awake by a blaring alarm clock every morning? What if I told you there's a game changer on the market? The alarm clock's non-ticking for bedrooms from JICLLPSGFGFDS is here to revolutionize your wake-up routine. This smart tech device is a total lifesaver. With its easy setup and king-size display, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without it. The snooze function is a total dream, allowing you to suspend the alarm temporarily and catch a little extra nap. The gentle buzz is like a soft whisper in your ear, waking you up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The quick response time is also impressive, meeting your every need for accuracy. And the best part, the bedside alarm clock will never diffuse hard light to disturb your sleep at night, so you can sleep peacefully in a soft, dark environment. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use, and I can see why. The easy operation and low energy consumption make it a breeze to use, with a soft touch interface that's gentle on your fingers. Imagine being able to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, without the harsh sound of a traditional alarm clock. This is a total upgrade from those old-fashioned clocks that would shatter your sleep, and the best part, it's designed to make your life easier, so you can focus on what matters most. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, this alarm clock is a must-have, so why not give it a try, and start waking up feeling like a brand new person? It's time to level up your morning routine with the alarm clock's non-ticking for bedrooms from JICLLPSGFGFDS. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.